Less than a day to go before the new year and the end of the Christmas vending season, vendors in downtown Kingston say sales during the period have not been all that bad. They say had it not been for the rain on Grand Market night, they would have made more money. TVJ's Kirk Wright had a chat with them today.
It was a party-like atmosphere on Princess Street in downtown Kingston on Monday. There were sound clashes in some areas. Higglers on microphones trying to entice buyers. At another section of Princess Street, less aggressive higglers who were more content with waiting on potential buyers. Clothes hung high in other areas, but the vendors say the prices are not out of reach. And while there were complaints from vendors in other parts of the island, the general sentiment from those operating in the downtown Kingston area is that business has not been bad this holiday season.
Not the best, you know. We could be better.
Well, it's all right, still, it could have better still, but me give God for what I make still. Understand? I will pay eager that out. Look how we line them. So we line them full.
How's business this Christmas?
Not too bad. Get my customer and pass by.
This vendor, Jennifer Williams, says the rain dampened her chances of breaking even.
2 days rain. I will not make no money. See them here, see where them here from Christmas to buy them. From before Christmas, and see them there.
This Christmas, person come out a little bit late, but we will have make a little money in the Christmas Eve, but because of the rain.
Princess Street, which is usually crowded with shopping activities during the festive season, was not as crowded when we checked Monday. In some areas, the vendors took over the street, showcasing their wares, but still they allowed vehicular access. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.